What is Dutch food really about? For some, it's all about gastronomie, about beautiful wines, having a great dinner in restaurants with celebrity chefs. But for the most of us, it's about a plate on your lap on Sunday evening, watching Hakim Ziyech. It's about sharing food with your family on a kringverjaardag. Getting a kapsalon at 2 in the morning. The Netherlands will open up. Open up to the food we love. Open up to what we have in common. And what makes us unique. So we invite you to open up our automatieks. Open up to our herring. To all the inspiring stories our food tells. Make us proud. Come to Zoetermeer, Raalte, Seksbierum, Almere, and taste the Netherlands. Together.